Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video in Trevor's 98 Jeep TJ 4.0. Got a crank, no start condition. I'm going to show you how to test the computer. And this is only going to be a static test, a test if the computer's functioning. It's not going to test if any of the drivers are bad, just going to be an overall power test to rule out what the heck's going on with his Jeep. As you just read before, you need the ignition power on. I just pulled out the black plug and we need to test for 12 volts at pin 2 and 22. Now we're going to check pin number 22. So you verified power to the computer. That part's done. Just inserting the pin into number 2. And then going to use the power probe to check for voltage. I'm going to zero out my multimeter first, otherwise incorrect readings will screw us up. So pin 31, reading 0.9 ohms. Pin 32 is reading the same. We should have zero resistance. That's definitely a problem right there. We're going to have to trace down where the ground wires go, clean them up. Orange wire here. Use this tool to pierce it. Check for some 5 volts coming out there. We're good there. This part you need to split the wiring loom, and I have the power probe hooked up to the pure orange wire, and as you can see 5.17 volts, which is good. The violet orange 5 volts as well. So just check the computer checks out 5.18 volts. The ground resistance is a little high, but might have to check in where the computer grounds are and clean them up. I don't think that's what our issue is. Well, I'm going to end the video here on how to troubleshoot your PCM out of your Jeep. Now, those resistance values on the ground didn't affect the performance of it afterwards. We have narrowed it down to another issue at hand that you're going to see in a much upcoming video. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.